If you are counting on the UK state pension to save you, you need to see this. We are looking at a system where working for 50 years guarantees you poverty. The rules have changed and nobody sent you the memo. Welcome back. I've been tracking UK finance for 15 years, and I've never seen a retirement landscape this hostile. Here is the lie we were sold. You work hard, you pay your national insurance stamps, and at 66, the government hands you a golden ticket to a comfortable life. Here is the reality in late 2025. The full new state pension is roughly £11,500 to £12,000 a year. The Joseph Rowntree Foundation says a single pensioner needs £15,000 just for a minimum standard of living. Do the maths. You're already in the red before you even buy a loaf of bread. This isn't by accident. The universe or the algorithm brought you here because you suspect the safety net has holes in it. And you're right. Now, before we dive deep into the specific trap set for you, quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for education only. Always do your own due diligence and speak with a certified advisor before making financial decisions. In my last video, we talked about the wealth gap. The state pension is ground zero for that gap. The biggest threat in 2025 isn't that they cut the pension, it's that they tax it. The personal allowance, the amount you can earn tax-free, is frozen at £12,570. It has been frozen for years. Meanwhile, a triple lock keeps pushing the state pension up. We are now dangerously close to the point where the state pension alone eats up almost your entire tax-free allowance. What does that mean? It means if you have a tiny private pension, a part-time job, or even a small savings income, you are instantly paying 20% tax on it. The government gives you a pay rise with one hand and mugs you with the other. They aren't telling you this. Retirement is no longer a tax-free zone. Here is a horror story I see in my comments every week. Someone reaches 66. They apply for the pension. They expect the full amount. They get £150 a week. Why? Because they didn't check their national insurance record. You need 35 qualifying years for the full amount, 10 years to get anything at all. If you were contracted out in the 90s, if you were a low earner, or if you were a stay-at-home parent who didn't claim child benefit correctly, you have gaps. And here is the kicker. You can only buy back gaps for the last 6 years. If you have a gap from 2015 that you didn't plug, that money is gone forever. The difference between a full record and a partial record can be £50,000 over a retirement. That is wealth inequality in action. The informed get paid. The uninformed get played. Let's zoom out. Why does this matter? Because the UK is split into two groups. Group A relies on the state pension. They are fighting for survival against inflation and heating bills. Group B uses the state pension as pocket money. Their real life comes from assets, ISAs, SIPPs, property. The system is designed for Group B. Group B uses the 25% tax-free lump sum from their private pension to pay off their mortgage. Group B uses ISAs to generate tax-free income that doesn't trigger the fiscal drag trap. If you are sitting there with only a state pension plan, you are mathematically locked out of a comfortable life. You aren't retiring, you're just becoming unemployed. Okay, enough doom. I promise to fix this. Here is what you can do right now to beat the system. First, the government gateway check. Pause this video. Go to gov.uk, log into your personal tax account, check your state pension forecast. If you have gaps, look at buying Class 3 voluntary contributions. It might cost you £800 to buy a year, but that year could pay you back £5,000 or more over your retirement. It is the best investment return on earth. 2. Feed the SIPP. You need a self-invested personal pension, even if you can only put in £50 a month. Why? Because the government adds 20% to it instantly in tax relief. That is free money. You need to build your own triple lock because the state's version is unsustainable. Third, the ISA bridge. Use a stocks and shares ISA to bridge the gap before you hit state pension age. This income is invisible to the taxman. It keeps you out of the tax trap we talked about earlier. The state pension was never meant to be a luxury lifestyle. It was meant to keep you out of the workhouse. In 2025, you have to build your own safety net. Check your record, fill the gaps, and start investing. If this saved you from a nasty surprise at age 66, do me a massive favor. Smash that like button and subscribe. It helps me grow, and I am massively thankful to you for watching. Comment below with your biggest money mistake, and don't forget to subscribe for more fixes. I see you in another view.